Hi guys, welcome back. So, as you've seen in the start of the video there, I've put some traps out by the broccoli. Stupid enough to put my finger in it. Bloody hurt. But to make sure they worked. And today I'm going to be putting out cucumber plants. They can go out to the polytunnel now. There's 5 of them in the back there. They're all market more. And they could do with going out. And also got the cucumber melons down here. They need potting on, and they can go out as well. So go and have a look in the polytunnel, see if we caught anything in the traps, and get space cleared for the cucumbers. Well, they didn't go near the traps, but looks like they've gone for the rest of the broccoli and a couple of the cauliflowers. They've even pulled the label up. Well, they've had a field day. And they've been in the sunflowers as well. Little buggers. Oh. And looks to me like they've had a go at one of the condor potatoes. I had set a camera up in here last night, but it hadn't recorded. Oh well. Right, so this is where I'm going to put the cucumbers. Just get rid of these plants from here. You can see I've stapled this mesh to the battens just to give them some support. They can use that to climb up, and I can keep them right at the back, out of the way. So I'll get these plants moved and get back to you. Right, so that's 3 of them there. They're only in 5 litre pots. I'm not sure whether to pot them on again or not, but I only repotted these the other day from smaller pots, so they'll be okay in them for a bit. I don't know, I probably will repot them, but they can climb up the back there now. And then I'm gonna put some hooks in the centre of this beam, these top beams, and then I can have a tomato plant come from here and have it growing out towards the beam. If I put a hook on there, a hook down here, and tie a piece of string from one to the other, they should be able to follow that. But anyway guys, that's 3 of the cucumbers in here. Still got another 2 to go. I might put them in the other polytunnel and put a couple of the cucamelons further down. Just waiting to get some more of this mesh and hopefully continue it all the way along. Right then guys, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and be careful about your brassicas. Bye for now.